All right, this is David from S&S Cycle. We're here at the AIM show in Ohio. We're going to talk to you today about our exhaust system for the new FTR 1200. We're pretty excited about this thing. Inspired by the FTR 750, the flat track race team, we actually use some of the same components that we use on the flat track race exhaust. So this is a high pipe 2 and a 2, adjustable baffles, full stainless system. Kind of makes this bike what it was really intended to be, which is that flat track styling. Makes great power, sounds really wicked. So we do a ton of insulation, kind of keep the heat off the rider for a high pipe. So we're pretty excited about this one. And if you get a chance, check us out on Facebook or Instagram or our site at sscycle.com for more info and sound clips of this thing.